Now, how do you find the highest common factor and the least common multiple of these? Let's start with the highest common factor. Consider the common numbers only for the highest common factor and take the smallest. What do I mean? Look at S and T. What's in common? 2 is a common number. 3 is not a common number, so we don't care about the 3. 5 is not a common number, we don't care. 7 is a common number, so we care about the 7. So we first considered the common numbers only. We looked at the common numbers only. Then take the smallest common. 2 to the power of 4 or 2. Which one is smaller? 2 is smaller, so we just take the 2, ignore the 2 to the power of 4. 7 squared or 7 to the power of 3. 7 squared is smaller, so we will ignore the 7 to the power of 3. We finished. The highest common factor is just this times this. So it's 2 times 7 squared. Easy peasy, isn't it? The least common multiple. Consider all the numbers. So we will look at all the numbers. Take the biggest common and the non-common. So let's go back to the common numbers. 2 to the power of 4 and 2. These are common. So which one we take? Take the biggest. So we'll take 2 to the power of 4. And then we will take the bigger one for the 7. We'll take the 7 to the power of 3. And we will take the non-common. So we'll take the 3 and we'll take the 5 to the power of 3. And that's it for the least common multiple. Just let's conclude. For the highest common factor, you take the smallest common. In these two, these are common, we take the 2. These are common, we take the 7. We don't care about the non-common for the highest common factor. For the least common multiple, we take the biggest. These are common, we take the 2 to the power of 4. These are common, we take the 7 to the power of 3 and write all the non-common numbers. We write the 3 and we write the 5 to the power of 3. Do you think you understand this? Why don't you try this one and write your answer in the comments? Find the highest common factor and the LCM. And that's all for this video. Thank you for following. Bye.